How to fix iPhone hotspot not working. Now if you want to fix if your iPhone hotspot isn't working, you must make sure a couple of things. Now, are you on the receiving end or the streaming end, right? Because if you're trying to share your own hotspot, not being able to do so, there are a couple of things. First, you must make sure that your cellular data, you have got enough data, right? Because hotspot is for mobile data and you want to share your mobile data with someone else, and you'll be able to do so through cellular data. So first of all, you want to make sure that your cellular data is working just fine and well. Now after that, what we can try to do is we can try to restart our hotspot. So we can go to personal hotspot, just turn it off and turn it on again, check for password and see you have shared the password with somebody else, and make sure allow others to join is enabled. If this is not enabled, even if you turn on your hotspot, that's not really a use, so make sure that is enabled over there. Now what you can try to do is you can also try to restart your iPhone to see if that actually helps you. Otherwise, go to general, scroll down and go to transfer or reset to iPhone, then go to reset, then select reset all settings. Don't worry, this will not erase the data on your iPhone, but you can simply try to reset all the settings over here, and then you will be able to go ahead and then reset it. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then fix iPhone hotspot not working. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.